how has the COVID-19 epidemic impacted our business, right? The answer is not a lot. It hasn't impacted us really at all. We already really operated remotely. In fact, we have 6 offices total for Intellic integration globally. We closed all those offices early in March, long before any of the orders came down. And we educated our team on social distancing and just said, hey, listen, let's use best practices. Let's listen to what the CDC is saying, and let's wash our hands. Let's not shake hands with people. And we stopped going on site. We notified all of our clients that we wouldn't be doing any site visits. I saw some other integrators like sending out notices and stuff. And, they were assuring their clients that, hey, we're still going to send our engineers on site if you need them. And which to me is just absurd. That really shows where what motivates you if you do that. At this point, yeah, we basically told our team, you can go to the office if you want to, but for essential business, if you need to go work on a server or something, or you need the tech bench or the test bench or something, or go grab a instrument, but we want you in and out. And so we've been working remotely since the beginning of March, which all the engineering staff basically works remotely 80% of the time anyway. So we already leverage technologies like TosiBox, which you already have above your head. So yeah, the way that our infrastructure is already set up, we have remote access to all of our clients. We set up VPN access with our clients from the beginning. Most of our clients, we control that infrastructure. So we already can access all of our clients, all of our projects remotely from anywhere in the world without having to use any of their corporate VPNs. We don't rely on them having the Industry 4.0 infrastructure. That's why we're so high on TosiBox. If you haven't looked at TosiBox, you can install a TosiBox unit at every one of your customers. You get approval. All they got to do is give you internet access. You can create the VLAN, and then you have access to all your customers from one central location, which we already had that infrastructure. We already use Zoom. We've been an enterprise customer of Zoom for a year and a half now. We already use Microsoft Teams to manage all of our projects. We already use a cloud-based ticketing system. We've used that from day one. For 6 years, we've had a cloud-based ticketing system with our customers. So there's really been no impact on the actual business for us since this has started. In fact, it's gone the other way around. We've seen a huge upswing in the number of people who are calling and asking for help, because now there are a lot of manufacturers out there who've realized, holy shit, we are not prepared for this. And they're terrified. There are a lot of manufacturers out there right now who are absolutely terrified. And that's not an overstatement. Fortunately, or unfortunately, there's not enough people out there to help every manufacturer at the exact same time. And it's gonna be a problem for a while. But it's also an opportunity. Wherever there's a problem, there's an opportunity. So